All right, Notch Trail, rough terrain, wear sturdy boots. Ah! I got some boots on. He's got some shoes on, and here we go.
We're Jenna and Jeremy.
In August 2020, we bought an RV.
In September 2020, we sold everything and hit the road full time.
Follow our adventures as we explore more of our incredible planet Earth.
Don't forget to press that subscribe button and turn on post notifications for weekly travel videos.
You can find us on Instagram at Quench Your Adventure. Now on to the good stuff. Badlands National Park is located in western South Dakota and sees around 1 million visitors every year. We stayed just outside the park in one of our favorite boondocking locations ever. Quick note, you cannot fly drones in national parks, but being that we were outside of the park, this was totally fine and totally awesome. So why are they called the Badlands? The Lakota people were the first to call this place Makosika, or land bad. Extreme temperatures, lack of water, and the exposed rugged terrain led to this name. French-Canadian fur trappers also called it Les Mauvais Terres pour traverser, or bad lands to travel through.
Guys, I just opened the door to our RV and look what I see. Oh my gosh.
Just 5 minutes into the park, right from the trailhead, and we get treated with 3 huge bighorn sheep. Fun facts, horn size is a symbol of rank. Male horns can weigh as much as 30 pounds. Bighorns are known for head-to-head combat between males, and they can live up to 15 years in the wild. They have excellent eyesight, which helps them in jumping and gaining narrow mountain footholds.
I'm just shocked that 2 days ago we were in South Dakota in Sioux City and we were wearing bikinis and bathing suits at one of these Palisades State Parks, swimming, hiking, and sweating. And now we're wearing gloves, hoodies and sweaters and jackets and boots and socks because it's freezing.
It's
oh, the tiniest little chipmunk
you can't see it,
ever. That's really small. Its tail. All right, Jeremy, if you could describe Badlands National Park in 3 words, what would it be?
Bad. Rugged. I don't know what the third is.
Mine
yet.
is Mars.
Yeah.
Never been, but this is what it would be like.
From the plant life, definitely the landscape. Wow.
Is this its head?
Oh my gosh, it might be.
That's its skull, but that could be its
Yeah,
head.
look at the little feet.
Does it smell?
I think so.
So just by the feet you can tell?
I think. I'm no expert.
Jeremy, you did not tell me that there were ladders to climb on this hike.
I showed you a picture.
I didn't know we were on that hike. Wish us luck.
Wow. This is
Oh.
a cool looking rock.
Kind of wobbly.
It is.
Almost there. I don't want to slip because it's muddy.
It is a little muddy. And
Oh.
I'm wobbling behind you. Wow.
Oh.
That was cool. Dangerous cliff. Keep right.
Yeah, we about to keep right. Oh, great! This is a hiking trail. This is just like rubble.
A little bit of scrambling.
Ay ay ay.
Can you take my hand if you want? Nice. What a strange trail. There's markers to keep you sort of on track, but you kind of just make your own way. Really strange and cool landscape. Whoa.
That's a lot of trees we haven't seen.
Yeah, there are trees here.
Wow, it's not just barren desert.
The Notch Trail is a short 1.3 mile out and back trail with about 130 feet of climbing and a nice overview at the end. We also explored this little canyon before heading back. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and make sure you've hit that subscribe button and turned on post notifications for more weekly travel videos. See ya!